Hey all, welcome to SIMATS Engineering, where cutting edge technology meets innovation in material science. At SIMATS Engineering, we are proud to feature yet another state-of-the-art BET surface analyzer by Micromeritics, an essential tool for surface area and porosity analysis. This advanced instrument provides precise measurements of surface area, pore size distribution and porosity that's crucial for a wide range of applications in material science and engineering. Whether you're working with catalysts, nanomaterials or composites, we invite you to bring your samples to us for detailed surface analysis with precise results that can help accelerate your projects and innovation. At SIMATS Engineering, we leverage this technology to drive forward research in sustainable materials, 3D printing and beyond. Do not hesitate to reach out. We are excited to support your work with the BET Surface Analyzer.